Alright guys, here we go. A little full-size lid number 10. A lot of heaters still left in there. 5 times for the 5 times. Here we go. Once, twice, 3, 4, 5. Box 12. Box number 12. That is so weird. That was the one that I put up on top that I had up here earlier. Must be lucky. That was the one I had on earlier. Number 12. Alright, so we got. Let me get the next one going. Alright, number 10. Alright, Darren, NBA jersey, premium pack, both working. If you guys like NBA jerseys, a lot of nice jerseys in there. Darren 4, Nick 2, Justin K 2, Jason Cross, Jose Tanya 2, James Cross 2, Mike John 1, Jeremy P 1, Chris S, Caleb 2, Kyle Nick, Darren 5, Nick C 2, Justin K, KO Tanya, and AJ. Alright guys, 5 times for the 5 times. Let's get it on. Once, twice, 3, 4, 5. Nick C, you're on top. Darren's on the bottom there. 5 times. 5 times for the 5 times. Alright, let's group the ends together. AJ Bills, Caleb Texans, Steelers, Chris S Titans. Darren Ravens, Panthers, Browns, Packers, Rams, Vikes, Eagles, Seahawks, Redskins, Cowboys, Pats. Oh, I'm sorry. Redskins, James Cross, Cowboys, Pats, Jason Cross, Saints, JP Bucks, Jose Dolphins, Justin K, Jags, Chiefs, Jets, KO Bengals, Kyle Chargers, Michael Jordan, Colts, Nick C, Cardinals, Falcons, Bears, Giants, Niners, Tanya, Broncos, Niners, and Raiders. Mahomes. Alright, you guys good to go? You guys make sure you smash that like button. Lucky number 12. Let's get it on. Find a knife. Alright, let's get it on. Like I said, I'm getting P Sports Cards tape for the bottom and top of these. This tape ain't cutting it. It'll be more secure that way anyways. Duval. Alright, first helmet of the week. First helmet of the week. Not a headliner, but probably could have been, right? It is Trevor Lawrence. Trevor Lawrence on the Speed Authentic. T-Law. Trevor Lawrence. Duval. On Fanatic Cert. Fanatic Search. LG 203-86771. Duval. For the Jacksonville Jaguars, Justin K. Justin K. There you go, man. You hit the Trevor Lawrence. Trevor Lawrence on Jacksonville. Jacksonville Jaguars. T-Law. T-Law, T-Law. 5 times. Darren Jones guaranteed free spot. Once, twice, 3 times. 4, 5, and Tanya. Free spot for you. Free spot for Darren. Alright, number 10. Full-size lids. Full-size lids. Alright, very good. Nice T-Law. Premium pack. Full-size lids. We got 10 left in the NBA jersey. Premium pack, 6 divisions. And 30 on the full-size lids. Brand new one if you want to hop in. Still a lot of nice headliners floating in there. Alright, guys. Very good. Thank you. Thank you.